Hi, this is Elena, and in this video tutorial I will explore and outline the features of the site administration. Let us start. As you can see, I'm logged in as a manager, and here in the sidebar we can see a range that is called Site Administration. Let's click on it and see what it includes. Here it is. So you may see several categories: analytics, competencies, badges, H5P, language, appearance, and front page. And each category has some subcategories that we're going to explore. So the first category, and the only one in analytics, is analytic modules. Let's see what it is about. Here you may see some models, several models that are enabled, indicators of the models, analysis interval, insights, and some actions. So what are the models? Courses at risk of not sharing, students at risk of dropping out, students who have not accessed the course recently. Very necessary models, I should say. Students who have not accessed the course yet. Yeah, it's very important. The teacher can see who hasn't accessed the course yet and just explore this and probably help the person or the student. And as far as I understood, we can create a new model. Let's check if we have this kind of opportunity. No, so there is kind of arrow. Okay, let's continue exploring. What about importing new models? Oh yeah, we can do it. We can choose a file, and it can be just zipped. Okay, great, and we can import the necessary model that probably we need for this or that course. Very interesting. Great. Let us continue. Okay, the next category is competencies, and there are some subcategories. Okay, let's check. The first is migrate frameworks. Okay, so this tool can be used to update a competency framework to a newer version. So we can change the older one into a newer one. Okay, and also we can search for competencies in courses and activities using the older framework and update the links. That's interesting. So before migration, and we can cancel. Okay, courses. So limit. There is a selection we can find. If we want, we can exclude several test courses, and we can choose the date. So start from and perform migration. Okay, import and export competency framework. Let's check. So a framework description file, we choose a file, and we can import the necessary competency framework, and also, as far as I understood, we can export. But no competency frameworks have been created yet to be exported, so if we have one, we can do it. Okay, competency frameworks. No competency frameworks have been created yet, so we have an opportunity to add a new competency framework. Let's check if we can do it. Yes, we can. We're allowed. That's very interesting. So it means that I, as a manager, can add a new competency framework. For example, in our university we follow special framework that I can add. And so I can there are taxonomies here. According to level 1, level 2, level 3, it can be skill, it can be competency, it can be level, it can be outcome. That's great. It can be value. It's very, very important, I should say. Okay, so we're not going to save any changes now. So the next is learning plan templates. No learning plan templates have been created, but if you want, we can create and add. Write the name, the description, make it visible or no, and write the due date. So when it starts and when, yeah, it's true. Okay, let us continue. The next category is badges. Badges, starting with badges settings. Okay. Badges are default middle box. Issue name, email address, and enabling course badges, so we can do it. We are allowed to create badges and award them in the course content. Okay, we can manage them. No better. Okay, if we add a new badge, so we can manage them. We can write the description, we can choose the by the way. Oh, there are a lot of languages, by the way, very interesting. So it can be in any language. So you should write the name, the version if it is necessary, maybe just to show how it looks like. Images can be provided in different formats. And author's name and email and URL. Yeah, that's very interesting. And even badge expiry, fixed date, relative date. Okay, no, we're not going to create them now. And let us continue. So, add a new badge subcategory. So it's similar to what I have already explored. Yeah. Okay. Backpack settings. Could not connect to backpack now. Check if there is badge issue email address, password. Okay. It can be done under special certain circumstances. Manage backpacks. They can be managed. Could not connect. Check. So in order to do this, you should check this or that. Okay, so the next is H5P. What is it about? It's about creating interactive content, interactive activities by providing a range of content types. Oh, and there is a description here. So there are a lot of them. Audio, chat, dictation, essay, flashcards, interactive video, multiple choice, question set, summary, true-false question. Yeah, it's very, very useful. It can be used. Great. So we need to choose a file and upload H5P content type. Okay. Language customization. Let's see if we have any choice here. Yes, we have a lot of languages. That's great. So if it is not a language course, probably several languages can be just included. Okay. So appearance. Default dashboard page. How it looks like now. So course name, last access for this one, so we can see blogs, card, list, summary, Okay, of course, all of you. So here how it looks like now. Default profile page. This is my profile page that I can edit, for example, if it is necessary. If I want to add the description, so I can do it. So I will do it later. Yeah, I will certainly add the description and submit it. Managing tags. Here we can see default collection, tag areas, and here they are: components, tag collection. Some of them are suggested, some of them, the only one is not suggested as far as I understood in the interest. So the rest, activities and resources, blog posts, forum posts, glossary entries, wiki pages, so they are suggested as a part of default collection. Okay, user tools. What is it about? It's about creating as many tools as you like and enable them for different parts of Moodle. Only one can be created per page. We can see some tools about dashboard, new messaging system, Boost Administrator, Boost Course View. Some of them are enabled, the first two, and the last two are not. And we can create a new one. If I click on it, what will happen? Let's see. So I can just write my own, describe it, apply to your match, provide two filters, category, courses, course format. Okay, if it is social format or one topic format. Yeah, that's great. Okay, let us see. User tool, and the last one is front page settings. Let's check. Okay, full set Moodle MOOCs, free Moodle training for managers. The link, list of courses, maximum category depths, default front page role, student, include the topic section. By default, yes. Number of announcements, 3. Yeah, so it seems to me this was the last category, and this is all about site administration, how it looks like and what it includes. Thank you for watching and listening to me.